Hi, English practitioners. So many times we have a habit of mispronouncing words, and let's try to change this little by little. All you need to do is repeat after me. Okay, the first sentence. The woman said that many women, the woman said that many women, repeat, the woman said that many women in the choir met the engineer on Wednesday. Met the engineer, not engineer. Met the engineer on Wednesday. Let's try this once again. See if you can do it fully without seeing the subtitles. The woman said that many women in the choir met the engineer on Wednesday. Wonderful if you got it in one attempt. Good listeners are good speakers. Let's go for the second one. The engineer helped the engineer helped design a vehicle for medical service. The engineer helped design a vehicle for medical service. Wonderful. My cousin, not cousin, my cousin. My cousin prefers dessert. No. My cousin prefers dessert after dinner. My cousin prefers dessert after dinner, especially when it's served in a small bowl, not bowl, bowl. Especially when it is served in a small bowl. Let's do the whole thing again, one time. See if you can do this. Listen once and try to repeat the whole sentence. My cousin prefers dessert after dinner, especially when it's served in a small bowl. Right. The colonel, the colonel explained the data clearly. Repeat after me. The colonel explained the data clearly during the education workshop. The kernel explained the data, not data, not data. The kernel explained the data clearly during the education workshop, and not education, education workshop. Hmm. One more. The woman, the woman booked a suite at a hotel. No, the woman booked a suite at a hotel. Repeat after me. The woman booked a suite in a hotel to finish her project on a new genre of films. To finish her project on a new genre of films. Wonderful.